Looks like you lost another one.
Yo, what's up, boys? And girls, sorry. I assumed your gender. Anyway, today, we're back with another video. I feel like I should be saying something right now because it's the 4th of July. So, yeah. By the way, so since it's the 4th of July, put fireworks on the screen, editing EPA. Editing version of myself. Put fireworks on the screen. Okay, everyone's happy now. So, you know how, like, what I'm about to show you is, like, what the Texans QB situation is? Yeah, that is what their situation at QB is right now. And so, basically, we're going to try and figure it out for them today. So, we all know Deshaun Watson, as the quarterback of that team, was drafted to them, everything like that. Played there for a good few years, tore his ACL in the first season, played really good, made a few Pro Bowls. So yeah, overall he's played really good at the Texans. Well, the Texans just don't have the best coaching staff, if I'm being honest. They have no idea how to run a team. So, yeah, that's the thing about the Texans. Which, I don't know if I should be mad at the Texans for not trading Deshaun Watson when he asked, or if I should be happy that the Texans are getting in so much trouble, because that means they're losing money, and that means that the Titans have a better chance of winning against them. But, sorry Texans fans, roast alert, you guys are just horrible. Like, we're going to beat you anyway. I don't care if you have Deshaun Watson, I don't care if you don't. We're going to beat you. Anyway, leading into the quarterback situation. Right now, all I know, they have the two quarterbacks that I know is obviously Deshaun Watson, who will not be playing for them. And then you got Tyrod Taylor, which I'm guessing if they do end up playing one of those backups this season without Deshaun Watson, it's going to be Tyrod Taylor. Tyrod Taylor has the worst of luck. He's a pretty good quarterback. Everyone just doesn't think he's good because got replaced by Joe Flacco in his first few seasons. Then he got replaced by Josh Allen at the Bills. And then he got replaced by Justin Herbert. And Baker Mayfield, I guess. So, yeah, he just doesn't have the best of luck. He's a pretty good quarterback. It's just everyone makes him out to be a backup because he hasn't had the best of luck with being a starting quarterback in the NFL. Anyway, so I'm not going to put this in the predictions playlist on my channel, but it is going to be kind of a predictions video, even though it is titled as the stuff about the quarterbacks. So I definitely think that if you think about it, Todd Gurley, even though it hasn't been, it's not in my video, I don't think. The Texans would be a great landing spot for Todd Gurley, as Todd Gurley has not had a team for a while now. Because if you think about Todd Gurley's situation is that he needs a team that will be built around him. Well, the Texans are perfect for that. Coming right out, they're starting rebuild right now. Rebuild mode. First step, I think, get a good running back. I think that's fair if everyone agrees. Like the video. Yeah, if everyone agrees, like the video. Anyway, it's fair enough that is true. But I definitely think that for some reason Todd Gurley has not been signed there. It's the perfect team that he needs to go to. He just needs to get the Texans to sign there. To sign him there. The other thing is their quarterback, as this video is about their quarterback. Aaron Rodgers. That's the only thing I'm going to say for right now. Let me talk about it. Trade Deshaun Watson for Aaron Rodgers. It's a win-win because if they want to play Deshaun Watson over Jordan Love, play Deshaun Watson over Jordan Love. That's what I'm thinking. If the Packers really want to play Jordan Love, then just keep Deshaun Watson as a backup until he gets all of his lawsuit stuff figured out. Then see how Jordan Love's doing. And then decide if you want to trade Deshaun Watson, as he is pretty young talent. But Aaron Rodgers being there for his final few years, especially not wanting to play for the Packers anymore, could be a great landing spot and a great thing for the Texans. Now, if you think about it, Aaron Rodgers, Todd Gurley, wide receivers, where are they? Well, they got some wide receivers, we know that. But who else is there? Well, you could basically try and get a few guys. I mean, I wouldn't say they're going to be top tier right off the bat, but definitely get a few decent players or older, good ones. I mean, they had the chance to pull off a Julio trade at any point. They didn't, which is now going to come back to bite them, as the Titans have him, and they're in the same division. But if there's someone else, like maybe Antonio Brown, that's the only person that I have on my mind with this trade, because if you think about it, Antonio Brown wants to play with Tom Brady. It's happening right now. But the thing is, Tampa Bay, I'm not saying that I have a trade all worked out, but maybe I can put one on the screen for you guys. Boom. There it is. What I'm trying to say is Tampa Bay doesn't have the best, well, they do have the best wide receivers. The addition of Antonio Brown was unneeded. I think they could get good trade value, maybe even a few picks out of Antonio Brown, and I don't see why they wouldn't trade. That's what I'm saying. The Texans would be a great landing spot, but the reason being would be definitely because of that, trying to rebuild them. And one more person is Tyler Lockett. Definitely think that would be a great pickup, as he is getting to the 30s. I'm saying this could be a very old wide receiver duo in terms of NFL years, but still veteran experience with all that veteran talent that I just mentioned. Todd Gurley just becoming a veteran as he is. I think that could work. And last but not least, to tie it all together on the offense, is Zach Ertz. That would be a pretty darn good start to rebuild, and not to mention a few draft picks. For defense, I think you could do quick signings with Melvin Ingram and Richard Sherman, which would end out pretty good. Now, that's going to be it for today's video. I'm not going to say the very end, because I'm going to Nashville tonight to watch fireworks. So I'll record some fireworks and show you guys. So stay tuned for that. I guess it's going to be at the end of the video. But anyways, to the outro. We're goated right now. We're on our road to 20. If you could subscribe, that would be great. Yeah. Like. Peace. See ya tomorrow.
Yeah, I think it's a plus. You think I'm a minus. Looking at the past, I leave that behind us. Sand in the glass, looking at the timer. Tick tock, baby girl, your time.